Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I am going to reuse the terracotta matka that you get along with biryani. We ordered Itminaan Biryani 2 days back that got delivered in this matka. And interestingly, in the outer packet, they had mentioned two ways on how this matka can be reused. So I thought, why not give this a try? But for that, first we need to clean the matka. To clean the matka, you can use a scrubber that we otherwise also use to clean utensils. Just avoid using any soap or dishwashing liquid. Once it is cleaned from inside, we need to clean it from the sides as well, where it has bits and pieces of maida left that was used for the dum. Here I'm taking a big steel plate that has got edges. I will keep the matka upside down and will soak it in water. After about half an hour, you can simply use a scrubber or just with your hands you can remove the leftover maida from it. Now the matka looks almost clean, but to get rid of the strong biryani scent, here I am heating up some water, adding about a spoon of salt and few drops of lemon juice. Allow it to boil completely. Once the water boils, switch off the flame and pour the water in the matka. Let it overflow, no problem. We anyways have the steel plate. Keep it like this and let the water cool down. After that, rinse it with water and allow it to dry. And here I have the matka all ready, it's all dried up. It has got biryani stains here and there, but that's completely okay. I'm going to use this matka to make curd. For that, here I have some milk. We'll allow the milk to boil in low flame. Once it boils completely, switch off the flame and allow this to cool down in room temperature. When you boil milk in low flame, the malai that it forms would become thicker, and that can be used to make ghee or butter. Here our milk has cooled down and I'll keep the malai aside. I usually use it to make ghee and I will do the same today as well. Now I will pour the required quantity of milk in the matka. This matka, by the way, is not that big. At max, I think it can hold about half a liter of milk. I'm adding 2 spoons of curd in the milk as well and give this a good mix. And allow this to rest. After about 20 hours of waiting, the next day, here is our curd all ready. It tastes good, but it has a little bit of that biryani scent in it. But we did not mind that. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, bye-bye.